Angel Kids TV. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's your name? Can I help you? Please help me. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Goodbye. See you later. I am happy. I am sad. Let's play. What's this? I don't know. I like it. I don't like it. I'm thirsty. I am hungry. I need to go to the bathroom. It's my turn. Can I see? Let's sing a song. What do you want to do? I'm tired. Let's go outside. I'm excited. Can I play? I love you. That's funny. It's okay. That's mine. It's your turn. I'm scared. Can you see it? I don't understand. I need a hug. It's time to eat. I'm thinking.